guys, welcome to lesson 4 on demand and supply graphs. This diagram shows demand shifting to the right, and we covered in lesson 2 many reasons why this could be. For example, the income effect. We can see that at price point 1, demand exceeds supply, therefore the market is at disequilibrium. Because there is excess demand in the market, suppliers can then increase price to P2. The increase in price leads to an expansion in supply, and we are able to reach a new equilibrium point, which is point B. It's important to note that the increase in price in the market was caused by the shift in demand to the right. Let's have a look at if there was a decrease in supply in the market, which could be due to many reasons, one being an increase in the cost of production. At price point 1, we can see that we are in disequilibrium as demand exceeds supply in the market. There needs to be an increase in price to cover the additional production costs, which would cause demand to contract, and we would be able to reach the new equilibrium point, point B. The increase in price in the market was caused by the decrease in supply. So we can see there are two reasons why there could be a price increase in the market, one being an increase in demand and the second being a reduction in supply. Let's look at the graph in which both demand and supply increase. Say demand increased due to an increase in the price of substitutes, and supply increased maybe due to government subsidies. Both demand and supply have increased. We can see that the price has remained at P1. So it's possible for the equilibrium price to remain the same, but quantity to increase in the market. What if there was a reduction in supply and an increase in demand? Imagine demand increased because there was a change in preferences, and supply fell because there was an increase in government taxes. And what we can see is that price has increased in the market, however, quantity demanded has remained the same. Our final graph will be a reduction in demand and an increase in supply. Imagine demand fell due to an increase in the price of complements and supply increase due to a reduction in production cost. What we see is that price in the market has fallen, but there is no change in quantity.